Oh, wow, this is gonna be so great. Oh my gosh, that is so fabulous.
So many beautiful rocks. That's a nice thing to find on my way out. Hi everybody, welcome to Katie Did Rocks. We have some exciting stuff for you today, gonna slice up some rocks. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for a cutting video. I found this one buried in the mud, and it was just barely sticking out, and we kept digging and digging and came upon this absolutely beautiful rock. So let's see what's inside. Okay, we've got it snugged up in the vise and ready for the trim saw. This is a relatively new blade because I managed to break my old blade, which was my new blade, because I got it stuck and one of these teeth came off. The first blade that I had lasted more than 50 years, but apparently they don't make them like they used to. Anyway, let's cut this and see what's inside. Whoa, that is just, this is going to be a great stone. I don't know how cracked up it is, but just look at all the stuff going on in there. Yep, it's a keeper. There's not even very many cracks. The clear stuff you see here is silica. It was a silica gel, and little tiny bits of manganese and some iron seeped their way into the gel, and they spread out and made these beautiful bands. Montana agates are famous for what are called these inclusions, and the inclusions sometimes make fabulous landscapes, and it's almost like looking at clouds in the sky. You can see so many different patterns and so many different things depending on how you turn them. Just look at the colors on that. Well, it's not really colors, is it? It's black and white, but look at the pattern. Wow. It's cool because you can see all the way around it. Nice thick slab. It's going to make something beautiful. Probably have to avoid this. This is not a crack, it's a filled crack, but I think it could still break along that line. And this is the other piece that came out of there. Isn't that pretty? That's so cool. Yep, I like it. This is what's left over of that gorgeous agate that we just slabbed. And I'm thinking maybe I might polish both sides of it. Because look at how bluish that looks. It's so pretty. Next up, how about some jasperized petrified wood? This is something I'm going to cut on my new saw. And let's see how it goes. Ooh, isn't that pretty? Wow, look at those colors. That's really something. Kind of a skinny one. I'm going to have to make a little bit thicker. Which one next? I think this one, because this one puzzles me. It looks partly like petrified wood, looks partly like agate, and maybe even some banded shirt in there. It's just a mystery to my little brain. So we're gonna cut it, see what's inside. Here's what it looks like wet. Could be pretty cool.
see what we've got. Whoa! It's just as crazy on the outside as it is on the inside. No, it's just as crazy on it's just as crazy on the inside as it is on the outside. Wow. Well, we're definitely going to cut some more of that. This thing just has everything going on in it. So there's agate there. Kind of banded stuff there. Some crystal. Just kind of remarkable. Okay, this one is next. I think it's a piece of agatized wood. Looks like it's maybe got some opalization in there. Basically, I think we're going to get some really, really fine slabs out of this. I think I'm going to try to take it, usually I would just cut it this way because it's so, well, maybe I'll do that first and give myself a nice flat surface, and then maybe we'll try some long cuts. Yes, that's what we'll do. Oh, this is going to be a good one. Agate. Opaly. Petrified woody. Beautiful. Isn't that interesting? Okay. That really is lovely. Okay, I'm going to turn this now sideways and see what we get if we cut in another direction. Wow, it's just so incredible how different it is when you go at a different angle. This was the grains, of course, that got filled in. Let's see what another slab looks like. I think we're going to have to watch that one off. It's just too messy to see how beautiful it is. Next, I think, is this one. It has all the attributes of an agate, but it also appears to have some red in it. So maybe a jasper agate, or jazz-fagot as I like to call them. My dad used to call them that, so that's what I think they are. Anyway, it looks like it might be really pretty. Look at that. This is really pretty dark inside. See what it looks like. We'll see what it looks like when we have thinner slabs. We can get some light through there. I don't see any light coming through it at all, which is surprising. It's very dark, but very, very beautiful. Huh. It's lightened up a little bit. You can see the pattern in here. You know, a lot of these stones on the Yellowstone are kind of a mix of jasper and agate material, and they're often overlooked, but I just love them. Since I have a small slab saw that will feed now and make some slabs, I want to try to use this one to see what's inside of it. This one has kind of a purple color. You can't see it real well in this light, but this banding here is, rather than blue, it's kind of more purple. And so I want to see if that color stays when we cut it open. Let's see what's inside. Oh, isn't that pretty? Well, let's make a slab. This is just the end piece. So it looks like the purple color is actually a result of the light being refracted through these lines and not actually purple at all. So I'm probably not going to cut any more of this. It's pretty, but it's brown, and I want to keep it as a stone so that I can enjoy the color. This one is another jazz-faggot, and it looks like it has some really pretty colors in it. So we're going to cut it, see what's inside. Looks like a red galaxy. Well, that's the end. Let's see what's inside the next slab.
One thing about this saw is it's really loud.
Kind of a nice translucent red. Got some cool other colors in there. That might make a nice cab right there. We're going to cut this one because look at the shape of it. It is absolutely perfect for the slab saw. So we're going to put it in the vise this way, and we're going to cut along here, maybe even make some Christmas ornaments out of it. Ooh, the first cut. Let's see what we've got. Oh, wow. This is going to be so great. Oh my gosh. That is so fabulous. Wow. Just goes to show you, you just never know. Let's do the next one. Uh-oh. That one. Gotta keep going. First slab. Wow. It's got a lot of dark down there. This dark is manganese that has kind of seeped its way into the silica gel as this is forming. There's a little crack there, so that's not perfect, but it's kind of cool though, isn't it? Looks like a phoenix rising or something. Wow. Well, this was a good one to cut. Let's keep going. Looks like a forest. Oh, might be some iris in there too. Little tiny fine lines. Check it out. This lovely thing is some blue agate from Fiddler Canyon. And this was brought to me by a wonderful viewer and his wife, who have collected it, I believe, in Utah. And they came to the Rockhound Rendezvous a couple of years ago and brought us some gifts. So we're going to cut some slabs of this. It's going to look a lot like this, but it's awfully nice to make stuff out of. So some of you have asked about whether this has a lot of overspray, and I have found that it has quite a bit on this side. It seems to come out and kind of get on my floor, so I've started covering it with a towel, and I'm probably going to put some kind of a Velcro flap or something in there eventually, but this will do for now. Interesting line through there. Beautiful.
Wow, so many beautiful rocks. I hope you enjoyed yourself. Thanks for joining me. This is Kate from Katie Did. Keep on doing.
Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh, they look just fantastic. Oh yeah, the pictures are just gorgeous colors. The text is easily readable. I made it extra spaced a little bit so that old eyes like mine could read it. If you have bifocals, this is the book for you. It's also the book for you if you just love rocks. Oh man, the print quality is just awesome. I'm gonna give you just a few little close-ups of this so that you can see what all is in here. This is the table of contents, and you can see that it has 24 different fishing accesses, along with some information about the rocks, how to find the rocks, a little bit about agate imposters, and even more beautiful rocks.